A manifestation is a powerful tool that has gained popularity over the years, thanks to influential figures like Neville Goddard and Dr. Joseph Murphy. Many individuals are drawn to the idea of creating their desired reality through different techniques, but sometimes, despite their efforts, they find themselves stuck in a state of disappointment and doubt. Join us as we delve deeper into the reasons behind these setbacks and explore how to overcome them. Trust me, this video is not the usual video that we make here on this channel. This one is a real deep dive, and I have a 100% guarantee that you will finish this video with a 100% working solution to fix your manifestation and make it work perfectly. So I suggest that you watch the video till the end. But before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel because your support inspires us to make more valuable content. Number 1. Attachment to the 3D reality. The 3D reality, which represents the physical world we perceive, can be both a powerful force for manifestation and a significant obstacle if we become overly attached to it. The key to successful manifestation often lies in detaching ourselves from this current reality. In the manifestation community, the 3D reality is often referred to as a delayed projection of our past thoughts and beliefs. It's a reflection of what we've consistently thought and felt in the past, which has materialized into our present circumstances. However, if we continue to perceive the 3D reality as the ultimate truth and the only reality, we inadvertently perpetuate the same patterns and conditions that may not align with our desires. To address this challenge, we must shift our perspective. Here's how. First, it's essential to understand that reality is multidimensional. The physical world is just one dimension of existence. Beyond it, there are layers of consciousness, energy, and potential waiting to be tapped into. When we fixate on the 3D reality as the only truth, we limit ourselves. Instead, open your mind to the idea that you can shape and influence reality through your thoughts, beliefs, and intentions. Secondly, detachment doesn't mean abandoning the physical world or ignoring your current circumstances. It means recognizing that your current reality is a product of your past, thoughts, and emotions. It's acknowledging that you have the power to create a new reality by shifting your focus to what you desire rather than what you have. Practice mindfulness to observe your attachment to the 3D reality. When you catch yourself dwelling on limitations or unfavorable conditions, gently redirect your thoughts toward your desired outcome. Visualization and imagination are also powerful tools for detaching from the 3D reality and aligning with your desires. Take time each day to vividly imagine your desired reality. Close your eyes and see yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions associated with it. Visualization helps to create a bridge between your current reality and your desired one. Number 2. Belief system. Your beliefs are the foundation upon which your entire reality is constructed. They shape your thoughts, emotions, and actions, and influence the events and circumstances that take place in your 3D world. Therefore, if your belief system is riddled with negativity, self-doubt, or limiting beliefs, it can become a barrier to successful manifestation. Addressing and reshaping your belief system is a fundamental step in the manifestation process. Here's how you can do it. Begin by taking a close look at your beliefs. What do you truly believe about yourself, your abilities, and your deservingness? Are there negative beliefs that are holding you back? Often, these beliefs are deeply ingrained and may have been formed in childhood. Awareness is the first step towards transformation. Once you've identified negative or limiting beliefs, challenge them. Ask yourself whether these beliefs are based on objective truth or are simply conditioned patterns of thinking. For example, if you believe you're not good enough, ask yourself for evidence to support this belief. You'll likely find that it lacks substantial proof. Additionally, affirmations are powerful tools for reprogramming your belief system. Create positive affirmations that counteract your negative beliefs. For instance, if you struggle with self-worth, repeat affirmations like, "I am worthy of love and success," daily. Over time, these affirmations can replace the old, limiting beliefs with more empowering ones. Your environment and the people you associate with can also influence your beliefs. Surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's through books, podcasts, or supportive friends. Engage in activities that boost your self-esteem and reinforce your new, empowering beliefs. Since we are talking about how important our words and our feelings are, let's take this chance to send a positive thought into the universe. Let's affirm and write in the comment section, "I am deeply thankful and overflowing with happiness." You can use this affirmation as it is, or you can customize it and make it more specific by adding what exactly makes you so happy and thankful. For For example, you could say, I am deeply thankful and overflowing with happiness that I am living my dream life. Now, let's get back to our next point. Number 3. Emotions and feelings. Emotions and feelings play a crucial role in the manifestation process. It's not enough to simply think about what you desire. You must also feel as if you've already attained it. Your emotions are like the fuel that propels your manifestations forward. However, many people struggle with effectively generating the right emotions to support their desires. Here's how to work with your emotions and feelings for successful manifestation. When you imagine your desired reality, it's essential to feel the emotions associated with that reality. Whether it's joy, excitement, gratitude, or any other positive emotion, immerse yourself in it as if you are living the experience right now. Imagine the scenes of your manifestation with all the sensory details and emotions attached to it. Set aside dedicated time each day for visualization exercises. During this practice, close your eyes and vividly visualize your desired outcome. As you do this, intentionally generate the emotions you'd feel if your desire were already fulfilled. The more you can evoke these emotions, the more powerful your manifestation becomes. Additionally, gratitude is a powerful emotion that can accelerate the manifestation process. Express gratitude not only for what you have now, but also for what you are manifesting. This shows that you appreciate and expect your desires to materialize. In your daily life, act as if your desire is already on its way to you. This means making choices and taking actions that align with your desired reality. In addition to this, you will have to overcome doubt and anxiety. Doubt and anxiety are emotions that can counteract your manifestations. Whenever you notice these negative emotions creeping in, acknowledge them and then consciously replace them with positive, empowering emotions. This requires practice, but over time, you can train your mind to default to positive emotions. Number 4. Lack of faith in the law. A significant hurdle in the manifestation journey is a lack of faith in the underlying universal laws that govern the process. If you doubt or question the efficacy of the law, your efforts may lack authenticity and conviction. This lack of faith can become a major roadblock to your manifestations. Here's how to address and strengthen your faith in the law. Take the time to study and understand the principles of the law you're working with, whether it's the law of attraction, the law of assumption, or any other framework. The more you understand how these laws operate, the easier it becomes to have faith in them. Look for examples and stories of people who have successfully manifested their desires using the same laws. These real-life success stories can serve as evidence that the law works and provide validation for your own efforts. If you're struggling with faith in the law, start with smaller manifestations. These can serve as stepping stones to build your confidence and faith in the process. As you witness smaller manifestations coming to fruition, you'll develop a stronger belief in your ability to manifest larger desires. Try to incorporate affirmations that strengthen your faith in the law into your daily routine. For example, you can affirm statements like, I trust in the law of assumption, or I have faith in my ability to manifest my desires. Understand that manifestation is not always immediate. It may take time for your desires to unfold in the physical world. Cultivate patience and trust in the divine timing of the universe. Your faith in the law will be reinforced as you see your manifestations gradually coming to fruition. Number 5. Insufficient persistence. Persistence is a critical factor in the manifestation process. It's not enough to simply visualize your desires once or twice and then expect them to materialize. To bring your manifestations into reality, you must consistently engage with your intentions. Let me explain to you how you can cultivate and maintain persistence in your manifestation practice. Incorporate your manifestation rituals into your daily routine. Consistency is key. Dedicate a specific time each day to focus on your desires through visualization, affirmations, or any other technique you prefer. Be specific about what you want to manifest. Clearly define your desires and intentions. This clarity helps you maintain focus and stay committed to your goals. Document your progress and experiences in a manifestation journal. Write down your desires, your visualizations, and any signs or synchronicities you notice. This journal serves as a tangible record of your journey and reinforces your commitment. Additionally, visualize your desire with intensity. When you engage in visualization, do so with intensity and conviction. Imagine your desired outcomes as vividly as possible. Feel the emotions associated with your manifestations deeply. The more you immerse yourself in the experience, the more persistence you'll naturally develop. Number 6. Lack of naturalness. One of Neville Goddard's key teachings is the importance of feeling natural about your desires. If you struggle to feel authentic and natural about your manifestations, it can hinder their realization. Feeling as if your desires are already a part of your reality is a vital aspect of the manifestation process. Here's how to infuse authenticity and naturalness into your manifestations. Neville Goddard recommended a technique called SATS, which stands for State Akin to Sleep. This technique involves entering a relaxed, drowsy state just before sleep and using this transitional state to visualize your desires as if they have already been fulfilled. Doing this regularly can help you feel more natural about your manifestations. As mentioned earlier, consistency is crucial. Visualize your desired outcomes daily. The more you engage with your visualizations, the more familiar and natural they become to you. Neville Goddard also recommends immersing yourself in the end goal. Whenever you visualize, immerse yourself fully in the scene of your desired reality. Use all your senses to make it as real as possible. Feel the emotions, touch, smell, and taste in your imagination. This level of immersion makes the desired reality feel more natural. In your daily life, start behaving and making choices as if your desires have already been realized. This reinforces the feeling of naturalness. For example, if you're manifesting a new job, start acting like the successful professional you want to become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Your comments and feedback are always appreciated, so feel free to share your thoughts below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way.